भाई पानी पिला दो प्लीज। अरे प्यास लग रही है भाई, उठो और पानी लाके दे दो प्लीज।
ले पानी। अरे आपको भी पानी चाहिए क्या?
हाँ बहुत प्यास लग रही है।
अरे मुझे बोलो, मैं तो कब से घूम ही रही हूँ, मैं ही ला दूंगी घूमते घूमते।
थैंक यू सो मच।
अच्छा बॉटल लाओ या ग्लास?
बॉटल दे दो प्लीज।
अच्छा
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू। देखा आप सभी ने, जो लड़की बैठी हुई थी वो बैठी रहना चाहती थी, और जो लड़की घूम रही थी वो घूमते रहना चाहती थी। उसी लड़की ने मुझे कहा कि आपको पानी चाहिए, अब मुझे बताइए, मैं घूम रही हूं और घूमते घूमते जाऊंगी, घूमते घूमते लेकर आ जाऊंगी। यानी बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है, जो बैठा है वो बैठा रहना चाहता है, और जो घूम रहा है वो घूमते रहना चाहता है। एंड यू नो व्हाट, it is not limited to human beings. Yes, it happens in physics also. Any object which is in state of rest will continue to be in state of rest until unless an external force is applied on it. We call it inertia. Inertia of rest. When a card is flicked, the card moves away but coin falls in the glass. Why? Because the inertia of rest. What happens when we apply the force on the card? It is a momentary force and it moves away the card, but coin, because of inertia of rest, it doesn't share that motion, and under the influence of gravity it falls down. अरे भैया, चलाने से पहले बता तो देते कि तुम गाड़ी चला रहे हो। झटका लगा दी जोर से। अच्छा सॉरी भैया, गाली क्यों दे रहे हो? यही होता है। When somebody suddenly starts a vehicle, when vehicle suddenly gets into the motion, the passenger sitting in this vehicle tends to fall back. Why falls back? Because when vehicle starts, vehicle gets into the motion. The lower part of the passenger, this also gets into the motion because it is in direct contact with the vehicle. But the upper part of the body, it is in state of rest. It wants to maintain the same state of rest because of inertia of rest. Now what is happening? The vehicle is in motion, the lower part of the passenger is in motion, but the upper part doesn't want to move because of the inertia of rest. तो फाइनली क्या होता है? ऐसे ही ड्राइवर भाई साहब गाड़ी स्टार्ट करते हैं, गाड़ी मूव करती है, लोअर पार्ट मूव करता है, ये मूव नहीं करना चाहता तो ओ ये पीछे रह जाते हैं, सब आगे निकल जाते हैं, और ये झटका खा के बोलता है कि भैया बता तो देते गाड़ी स्टार्ट करने से पहले। झटका लगता है बड़ी जोर से। It's all because of inertia of rest. When you jump from a moving bus, you tend to move with the speed of the bus because of inertia of motion of bus. So, to slow down, you have to run for some time after the jump. And if you don't run, your feet will come to rest instantly due to friction, but your upper portion of the body will still be moving and you will fall down. This was inertia of rest. Now let's understand inertia of motion. If an object is in motion, it will continue to be in motion until unless an external force is applied on it. Oh, no. I have to jump this long and I'm not able to. But I read somewhere, if you run and jump, then that will be the longest jump you can have. But why? When running, the athlete brings his body in the state of motion. When the body is in motion, it becomes easier to take a long jump. We need to run a certain distance before getting into a moving bus so that we can shift our body's inertia from rest to in motion, and it will enable us to get into a moving bus comfortably. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist change. Inertia depends on mass. It is directly proportional to the mass. If an object has more mass, it will have more inertia. And if an object has lesser mass, it will have lesser inertia. Simple. Now we can sum up Newton's first law. Newton's first law states, if any object is in state of rest, it will maintain its state of rest. If any object is in motion, it will maintain its state of motion in the same direction with the same speed, unless an external force is applied on it. We call it Newton's first law. When a vehicle stops, brake is applied. All the passengers sitting in the vehicle have the tendency of falling forward. Why? If you can reason it, please write it down in my comment box and share with me.